Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. And the last card. Oh, y'all got two. Okay. So, you guys have romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. And you have forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Okay. Okay. So, it looks like some of you guys are definitely dealing with your soulmate. So, and I feel like this is someone that you guys have been dealing with for a while here. And it's asking you to take some time to heal. Forgive this person. You don't have to forget. But there's some forgiving here. So, if you guys haven't been talking, I feel like this person is coming in because they want to, work things out. And they're asking you guys just to be honest, express how you truly feel. Both of you guys need to drop this ego and pride. But let's see what's going on. Alright, Cancer. Alright, let's see what's going on. Alright, so bottom of the deck, you guys have the Seven of Pentacles reversed. So this is telling me that you guys are coming out of being frustrated about something. Alright, let's see, Cancer. Alright. Alright, so somebody could be dealing with an air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. And I feel like you had to cut the situation off. Due to the fact that you wanted a happy home with this person, but things were moving slow. Maybe the person was playing around. Maybe they weren't giving you the commitment that you needed, or that you deserve. So you're like, you know what? No, I'm no longer waiting for you. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign here. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But yeah, I feel like there's a third party situation that took place. Somebody's not being positive here. Let me see. What's going on with the Queen of Wands reverse? Kind of getting a couple of things, but let's just see. Okay. Yeah, honestly, okay, before we go, y'all, this is a general reading. You're gonna have to say it every single time. So, take whatever resonates for you guys. Sometimes it's not going to be for you. This message could be for someone who really needs it. And also, this could go vice versa. But honestly, y'all, for some of you guys, I do feel like it was a third-party situation. And that's why you had to cut this person off. Maybe you found out that they were in another commitment. Maybe somebody was married. Maybe you guys were together and this person stepped out. So at this point, I feel like you guys are just working on yourself. But I kind of like if whoever messed up, they want to come back in. Trying to fix the situation here. They want to put in the hard work because they do see happiness with you. So yeah, some of you guys could be dealing with a Leo, but I feel like at this point somebody doesn't have the strength to work this out. Somebody's over it. Look at that. They're not being positive about it. Cancer, maybe it's you. Yeah, maybe you're feeling like, okay, you don't see yourself having a new beginning with this person. So when you cut it off, you're like, no, I'm done. Let me see. Yeah, somebody is definitely sad here. Somebody could have taken like some type of financial loss, but I mean, so far, what I'm picking up, they're just sad the way the situation is just playing out in general. But somebody did make a decision, because whoever messed up, they're coming back to give you an offer. Tell me about the Page of Cups, please. The Tower. But something came crashing down. Okay, so there was a tower moment here. Let's see. Tell me more. Why is a tower here for Cancer, please? Lord. Okay. Somebody who... Alright. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces here. I do feel like the person that messed up, right? They're trying to come back in. Or maybe they already came back in trying to give you this offer. But the offer was some BS, okay? And it wasn't a good offer at all. And so at this point, I feel like the universe stepped in because, yeah, the way you guys were building, it wasn't working out. So somebody had a tower moment here due to the fact that I feel like there were a lot of secrets. There were lies, things that were hidden. Cancer, yeah, you could have been dealing with another Cancer, but I do feel like that's why you guys are not moving forward, because this person they're full of shit. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to you. Like, no. Look at that. Justice is here. You could be dealing with a Libra. But at the end of the day, I do feel like the truth is coming out about something. Yeah, there was something here that you didn't know. Maybe somebody's trying to come out of a legal situation, but I just feel like at the end of the day, somebody wants to give you the truth about something, or maybe the truth came out, and that's why this Tower is here. Yep. Clarify the 10 of Pentacles. I feel like somebody wants happiness with you. Somebody wants to be with you. Because maybe they're like, you know what, I see stability with this person, but you guys are not moving forward with this person at all. But they're not done with you because they want to give you an offer, but they're just not coming towards you to do so. Tell me more. Okay. So, yeah, this person wants a new beginning with you. They're coming to tell you that, but at the end of the day, you feel like you got left out in the cold with this person. But you guys are using your intuition. I feel like the seeds that we're playing, they want somebody's not giving up. They do not want you to walk away from them because yeah. You guys, honestly, Cancer, you guys are healing at this point. You're like, I can't do this with you anymore. You're tired of their lies. You're tired of them, playing games with your emotions, your heart. And so that's why at this point, like I said, you guys are just moving on. You're tired of them. Tell me about the 6 of Cups. 7 of Cups reverse. Okay. I feel like at this point, you guys, you wanted something with this person. You wanted children with this person. You saw yourself building a family with this individual. But now you feel like there's nothing more that you can do because you really tried to put your best foot forward to try to work on the situation with this individual. And at the end of the day, they were being a player, Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but somebody was playing around. And they weren't taking the initiative to fix things with you. It's like they came towards you to tell you, I feel like everything that they wanted with you, but they just didn't back it up. So now, I feel like they're worried. Because you're going to pour that cup out. Like, they're coming back to give you this offer. They want everything with you. But you're like, no, give me that cup. Bye. So, yeah, y'all are over it. Look at that. But it's like, you guys want balance in your partnerships and your relationships. But I do feel like this person that messed up, they made a choice. They want to come back and fix things with you, but they're in their head big time. A lot of mental anxiety going on because they feel like they lost you. And it's like 1 minute they do want to take a leap towards you to fix the situation, but at the same time, they feel like, okay, I'm just going to, hang back because I messed up so bad and, now this person doesn't want to have anything to do with me. But they do want to have a peace of mind with you. But at the end of the day, I feel like they're isolating themselves from you because they're scared that if they come back in, you're going to reject them. But I also do feel like you're isolating yourself from them because you're just tired of their BS. Yeah, some of you guys, oh, I felt something. Oh, look at that, see? Some of you guys are dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but I do feel like at this point, you guys are just focusing on yourself. You're focusing on healing. You're focusing on your finances due to the fact this person that you were dealing with, they sneaky. They sneaky as hell. And you're like, no, I can't. I'm not dealing with the BS with you. And so you walked away. But there's still a part, I feel like, inside of you guys that you really did not want to walk away, but this person didn't do anything to make you want to fight for it, because I feel like you guys were always the one doing something here. So they really don't want you to walk away from them. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but I feel like this person is very emotional. They have a hard time expressing themselves. They're the type of person that it's like pulling teeth, trying to get this person to talk or to express how they feel about you, and they just leave you kind of like guessing, trying to figure out, okay, what do they want? What's happening? But this person really wants a commitment with you. They want a relationship with you. They're just not telling you this. I need them to grow up. Look at that. But now, look, communication's coming in. It took y'all walking the hell away and cutting off communication for them to be like, you know what, I can't lose this person. So now they're getting ready to try to come in fast to give you this love offer. Somebody's dealing with an Aries here, but I do feel like at the end of the day, you guys are just leaving it alone. You let it go. Like I said, y'all were the ones doing everything, trying to put in the work. And yeah, regardless, I do see like they're coming back in regardless to give you this offer. But y'all are like, whatever. I don't know if I even want it. But yeah, they want to bring stability back into the situation. Somebody's dealing with a boss here. Let's see. Didn't come out. Clarify the Emperor. Let's see. Yeah, this person doesn't want you to look back at what happened in the past. I need them to own up to what they did, because it's like they don't want you to look back, but I really don't feel like they're speaking their truth. I feel like they're just trying to come in like they did before, trying to woo you over again. And you know, it's like they're trying to build their confidence to do so, but they know y'all not buying it. Somebody's made a decision here. Let's see. Tell me more. Let's see. Didn't feel right. If it comes out again, I'll take it, but it doesn't feel right. All right. Tell me about the Nine of Wands reverse, please, for Cancer. Nine of Cups. Okay. So I feel like if somebody was in some type of, if they were playing around and maybe you guys are trying to figure out if this person is single, they're still dealing with somebody. I feel like they are single. They want things to improve with you. Look at that. They're coming to see you. They want a new opportunity with you. I feel like they definitely want to start over. Oh my God, look. Now they want a commitment. They want to give you this commitment, this relationship. Could be marriage. Like they're serious this time. But what kind of concerns me is it went from a king back down to a page. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, be careful with this person. Like, at the end of the day, I keep looking at this forgiving and learning card, which at the end of the day, forgive them. You don't have to forget. Or even if they don't come to you giving you the truth, forgive them. So that way it could be your closure, whether or not they told you what was up. But at the end of the day, I don't like that. This person, for some of y'all, they're playing. I'm going to be honest with you. They're playing around. So it's like, here they come again, getting ready to tell you, oh my God, I want to be with you. I want a commitment with you. I love you. I can see myself marrying you. But then they drop back down to a goddamn page. Like, what? Who that? Like, I would feel more comfortable if it was like this. But, no. Look, it's a lot of conflict. Y'all gonna be arguing, because I feel like this time when they come back, y'all gonna peep the BS. Y'all peeping it. And so at this point, y'all are walking away and you're gonna be like, no, I'm starting over. I'm not dealing with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but it's like, I feel like you guys want balance in a situation, but at the end of the day, when you look at this individual, you see that they're not gonna bring you that balance. Look at that. Somebody is giving to two. It's like they're trying to balance. They're trying to come back to tell you this is what they're going to do, but they're still playing. I'm going to be honest, for some of y'all, they're still playing. They still trying to entertain you and the other person. Yeah, that's why they're moving slow here. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But I do feel like this person does want a commitment with, this makes sense. That's why it's like, okay, they want a commitment with you, right? They do see themselves marrying you. They see it. You know what? This is definitely for some of y'all, like, soulmate, twin flame situation. But regardless, I don't care about the title. This person sees it. They know you're the one, but they're not ready to commit. And so that's why they went from a king back down to a page. It's like they're trying to keep you like at a standstill. They're trying to keep you holding on. But it's like they're going to come in here, just say whatever they can to get you back on their side. Like, okay, yes, I got her. I got him back in my pocket. And then they're going to go back and do whatever the hell they was trying to do. Well, I know I told you this, but honestly, you know, I'm really not ready for a commitment. I'm not ready for marriage. You know, they're moving slow because it's like they want the same thing that you want, they're just not ready. But at the end of the day, y'all not waiting. Y'all are not waiting for this. Maybe for some of y'all, somebody's married and that's why they're moving slow. But honestly, what I'm picking up, this person wants a commitment with you. They want marriage with you, but they're a player. They're still playing around. They're not ready. And that's why y'all are ending it. Y'all are over it. I tell y'all can see right through them this time. It's like y'all are thinking more so logically than with your heart, you know. So when they come in, y'all guard is already up. Yes, you'll listen to them, but y'all are on go. Like, y'all like, okay, let's play with me if you want to. So yeah, somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio here, but again, I definitely feel like you guys just to the point where you don't want a new beginning with this individual because there's a lot of conflict going on. You feel like things are never going to turn around. They're not changing. Somebody's dealing with a Gemini here, but at the end of the day, there is definitely a strong connection here. You both love each other, and that's what I was saying. I do feel like this person wants the same thing that you want, they're just not ready. So instead of them saying, you know what, I'm not ready, you know, for this, I'm not asking you to wait for me, you know, I have no right to do that, you know, I still love you, I care about you, but maybe we should go our separate ways. Like, they can't man up, or they can't woman up to tell you, you know, how they really feel, so they playing this little game. Because they already see it. They know that you're the one for them. They playing. Look, so somebody's juggling. Somebody's over here trying to make a decision here. But at the end of the day, Cancer, I feel like if this is for you, you don't see yourself having a victory with this person, and this is why you're walking away. This situation is toxic as hell. They're playing games. Some of these people are very materialistic. So they out here showboating, you know what I'm saying, whatever they have to all these other women, to all this, you know, these other men. But I'm gonna be honest with you, they struggling. So they out here trying to show off, you know, cars and buying people stuff, but they're struggling financially. Y'all, why y'all got me preaching today? Lord Jesus, tarot preaching. But anyway, I do feel like this person wants the situation to improve with you, but you're like, no. What message do you have for Cancer, please? Yeah, somebody's back and forth. It's like 1 minute, somebody's frustrated. I feel like in the next breath, they're like, you know what, I'm not worried about this anymore. Somebody's dealing with an air sign here. Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but I feel like somebody doesn't want you to cut them off, and they're getting ready to open up and say something about it. Somebody made a decision. Clarify the Two of Swords reverse. But they're back and forth if they want to give you this offer. So, it's the person that whoever messed up. They want to come back and give you this offer, but they don't know if they should, because they do feel like you're going to reject it. I don't even feel like they're even ready. For some of you guys, they're not even ready to give you the offer that you want. I'm taking all that. So, but somebody definitely does want the situation to improve. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But I feel like this is you. I feel like you're just emotional because you really love this person. You care about this person, but you're putting yourself first. You don't have time to deal with the nonsense. So, you guys, you're coming out of being frustrated about it. You know? You're like, no, I don't have time to deal with it. You guys are loving yourself first. You're putting yourself first. Some of you guys, I feel like you guys have a big heart, and people keep taking advantage of that, and you're realizing it. After, you know, doing some soul searching on your own, you're realizing that when it comes to your friendships, your relationships, whoever, even with family, like, you guys do too much. So you're like, you know what? I'm about to cut it out. I'm about to start doing what's best for me. And by you doing that, when I tell y'all, doors are getting ready to start opening up. Because look at that. There's the 10 of Cups. Somebody's getting ready to get what it is that they want. Somebody's about to have a happy home. But they're disappointed. I feel like for some of you guys, like I said, this is the person that you are meant to be with. They're just not ready. They're playing around. So I feel like they're trying to get out of a third-party situation. But yeah, you're not waiting. And I don't blame you at all. You don't wait on nobody. What the hell? What we look like? I'm saying we like I'm a Cancer. Y'all, who am I picking up on? Okay? Who am I picking up on? Because I have... I'm not a Cancer, okay? But anyway, I feel like somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius here, but it's just like you guys just don't have hope in the situation, and at this point, you're confident because you're healing, you're getting out of this energy, and yeah, you're like, you know what, I don't have time to deal with this. You keep putting me in third-party situations, so I'm chucking the deuce at you, I'm walking away, and now you guys are going out with your friends, you're going out with your family members, you're celebrating, you're going out having fun, enjoying life, because you guys are like, you know what, what's meant for me will be for me. If this is the person that I'm supposed to be with, I'm not sticking around, I'm not waiting on them. Either they're going to change and come back and put in the work, or guess what? I'm doing what I got to do to fix myself, so that way I'm putting myself back out there, so the universe will bring me in my soulmate. They're going to bring me in someone who I don't have to say anything to. They know how to treat me. They know how to love me the first time. So, yeah, that's what I see for you guys. So, Cancer, please leave me some comments. Let me know if this is resonating for you guys. But until then, I will talk to you guys soon.